Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be giving a tutorial on my user interface and how to go about it. What you see on the screen is the main page. Let's have a look how to access the features. When we click download audiobook, it leads us to this page. Here we can choose any file within our system which is in the form of a PDF and we can simply upload it. After clicking upload, here it gets uploaded and you can see the name. Then you click submit and give it a second to load. What this does is it submits the file into the system so it can be converted into an MP3 file. After that, we simply click download and then it downloads in our system in the form of an MP3 which can be played in the form of an audio.
OP in Python. Accessing items in Python list. 18. Empty objects. 18.
Our next feature is update your health data. When we click this link, we are directed to this site over here. Over here, you can enter your height in meters. And once you do that, you can also enter your weight in kilograms. Once you do that, you can hit calculate and it will automatically calculate your BMI and let you know about your health.